In a world where technology meets diversity, Apple presents the new Apple 2023 Pride Watch Band. It's a celebration of love, equality, and the vibrant spirit of the LGBTQ+ community. This stunning watch band is more than just a fashion statement. It's a symbol of inclusivity and support for everyone's right to love and be loved. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, it encapsulates the essence of pride and joy. The Apple 2023 Pride Watch Band features a unique, sport band design that seamlessly integrates the iconic colors of the LGBTQ+ flag. Each color represents an important aspect of the community: red for life, orange for healing, yellow for sunlight, green for nature, blue for serenity, and purple for spirit. This band isn't just about wearing your pride on your wrist. It's about making a statement of solidarity. With its comfortable fit and durable materials, it's perfect for any occasion, whether you're going for a run, attending a meeting, or dancing the night away. And it's not just about the band. The Apple 2023 Pride Watch Face brings a burst of color and joy to your wrist. With dynamic animations and vibrant hues, it reminds us that love knows no boundaries. But it's more than just a stylish accessory. Apple has partnered with LGBTQ+ organizations around the world to support their vital work. A portion of the proceeds from the sale of every Apple 2023 Pride Watch Band will go directly to these organizations, empowering them to create positive change. Together, we can make a difference, fostering a world where acceptance, love, and equality flourish. By wearing the Apple 2023 Pride Watch Band, you join a global movement, standing up for what you believe in and supporting the LGBTQ+ community. So, let your wrist become a beacon of love and inclusivity. Celebrate diversity, embrace equality, and make a statement with the new Apple 2023 Pride Watch Band. Apple, proudly supporting the LGBTQ+ community. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe so I can continue making videos and improve their quality.